Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to use the one-hand operation on your Samsung Galaxy device. Samsung's One-Hand Operation Plus tool helps you use your big screen phone more comfortably with one hand. So you can enable a customizable interface where all the essential buttons, gestures, and shortcuts are within your thumb reach. So with the Good Lock app, there's a module called One-Hand Operation Plus, where it enables some invisible gesture bars which appears just on the side of your screen. So let me show you how you can turn this feature on. So here we'll go ahead and open up the Good Lock app. Now in the Good Lock app, you want to go ahead and scroll down, find One-Hand Operation Plus. Go ahead and turn this feature on. So now as you can see, once I've turned this on, you'll see some bars appear just on the side of the screen. Now there are a total of 6 bars you can enable. So one on the left, one on the right, middle. Now you can go ahead and turn on these top ones as well. And you can go ahead and turn on these bottom ones as well. So this basically increases your buttons, gestures, and shortcuts, which you can basically reach within your hands. So in an example, let's go ahead and customize the left handle and the right handle. So here you can go ahead and choose left handle. So now if you swipe right, currently I've set it to AI select. If you swipe diagonal up, I've set it to widgets pop-up. And if you swipe diagonal down, I've set it to back key. You can go ahead and swap this around. So these are all the functions which are available. So you can go ahead and choose the home key, recent menu, search in app, volume up, and there are many other actions which you can apply. You can even apply actions to open a particular app, start application. You can have keyboard shortcuts and many more. So let's just say start app, we'll go ahead and start Amazon shopping. So here I'll go ahead and test it out. And there you go guys. So this is a lifesaver if you're using your Galaxy S25 Ultra with one hand while holding coffee, carrying bags, or commuting. It reduces hand strain and makes your device feel much more usable without needing to constantly stretch your finger across a huge display. So there you go guys, that is how to turn on the One-Hand Operation Plus on your Samsung Galaxy device. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.